Ukrainian paratrooper holds a grenade in his hand. He's getting ready to cook it before throwing it into a basement where Russian soldiers are hiding. Before he can act, a Russian grenade lands right beside him. His reaction is unbelievably fast. He throws his own grenade into the basement first, then instantly grabs the Russian grenade and hurls it inside as well. Next, we see a soldier from Ukraine's 3rd Assault Brigade. He steps forward with a grenade, preparing to throw it toward Russian positions in the Donetsk region. The moment he moves into the open, Russian fire erupts. 2 rounds strike his helmet directly, but the helmet absorbs the impact and saves his life. The hits knock him to the ground, but his partner pulls him back to cover. Through all of it, he never lets go of the live grenade. The calmness and focus in moments like this speak for themselves. A Russian soldier tries a desperate move to stop an incoming Ukrainian FPV drone. He swings at it with the stock of his rifle, but completely misses. Another soldier tries the same thing with his rifle barrel, and also fails. There are a few rare cases of drones being stopped by thrown objects, but hitting a maneuvering FPV in midair almost never works. Unless the drone's explosives malfunction, pure force won't stop it. The only reliable method is to shoot the drone before it gets too close. Quick reaction time and accurate fire are the only things that work. Sometimes the best option is to escape the area, but even vehicles struggle to outrun FPV drones. A driver in a small cart finds this out the hard way. He jumps out and runs, hoping the drone will target the vehicle instead. It doesn't. The drone goes straight for him and slams into his back. The explosive seems to fail, knocking him down but not detonating. Another scene shows the lone survivor of a failed Russian assault crawling out from under a vehicle. A drone hovers above him as he panics. He waves at it, terrified, but he's given the chance to surrender. Hands raised, he's guided toward Ukrainian positions. A Ukrainian soldier fires a portable anti-air missile at a Russian Su-25. The hit happens off-camera, but we see the jet crash in the distance and burst into flames. The terrain suggests these scenes are from Toretsk, where Russian jets often fly low for close support. Russian helicopters arrive to rescue the pilot. One lands, but Ukrainian operators send an FPV drone toward it. Heavy Russian electronic warfare jams the drone, and every attempt to strike the helicopter fails. Even so, the threat forces the helicopter to take off immediately, leaving personnel and even the downed pilot behind.